Manje-ke ake sikhulumeni ngama-cubes. Yini i-cube of a number? Loko simply put kusho ukuthi leyo number to the power 3. Okusho ukuthi nje i-cube ka-5 u-5 to the power 3. I-cube ka-A u-A to the power 3. Cube ka-million, million to the power 3. I-cube-ke iyodwa yona is just a dimensional figure. Nama-dimensions amathathu. Nama-dimensions okuyi-length, i-width, i-height. Sometimes i-height ayibi khona njengaseswimming pool kuba khona i-depth. Sifaka u-depth yethu la esikhundleni sika-height. Wonke ama-side nakhona a-equal. Example idayisi nama-side alinganayo. Khona ne-game edlalwayo abathi i-Rubik's Cube, nayo iyi-cube. Yaqanjwa ngaloko igama lomqambi wayo kwakusibongo sakhe u-Rubik, wakhanda i-cube. Ine-volume-ke yona ngoba yikho flat, idayisi uyalibona likho flat njengelitshe. Liyabambeka line-volume. Lapho-ke i-formula ithi length times width times height. Manje ngoba sithe wonke ama-side alingana kusho side times side times side. Okuwu-side cube. Okusitshela ukuthi i-volume-ke la njengoba sibona 2 units, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nansi i-height, nansi i-length, nansi i-width. Kusho kuzoba 2 units times 2 units times 2 units i-volume. 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8. Ama-units times unit square times unit cube. Kwavela lapho-ke ukuthi kuzothiwa i-cube of a number ibizwe ngale gama le-cube. Ngoba njalo hlale kubalwa ngama-units cube. Ngingezwa-ke umuntu ethi volume in future ethi ama-units squared la i-area le. Volume units cubed.